So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the next video. This is video where we will know what is the power and limits of artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, artificial intelligence has transformed from science fiction to everyday reality. Ladies and gentlemen, in this arena, I am going to clear the artificial intelligence without any technical jargons. You will discover what AI actually is and how it works, and most importantly, what it can and cannot do in practical everyday situation. So, whether you are curious about technology behind chatbots, wondering if AI can help with your work task, or simply want to understand the headline you see every day, this guide will give you clear, actionable knowledge. We will explore the real AI assistants like ChatGPT and Google Gemini, and we will learn how to communicate with them effectively and understand both their impressive capabilities and their importance limitations. By the end, you will be confident navigating the AI powered world around you. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will know what exactly is AI. So, with simple example, I want to tell you that artificial intelligence is software that can learn from examples and make decisions or predictions. Think of it like teaching a computer by showing it thousands of examples rather programming every single rule manually. For instance, instead of writing code that says if an animal has four legs and barks, it's a dog. You show the AI thousands of dog pictures and it learns to recognize dog itself. So it learned from the data. AI studies pattern in vast amount of informations to understand what's normal and what's not, making predictions. Ladies and gentlemen, based on what it learned, AI can predict outcomes, recognizes patterns, and make suggestions, improving over time. As AI processes more data, it gets better at its task, learning from both successes and mistakes. That we also know about the l- learning type, and that is reinforcement. Ladies and gentlemen, the magic behind AI, how it learns and work. So, as I have told you, that first it collect the data. Thereafter, there is training phase, there is testing and refinement, and thereafter there is deployment. So, what artificial intelligence do? So in the first process, AI is fed massive amount of text, images, or other information to study patterns. Thereafter, training phase. In training phase, AI processes this data repeatedly, adjusting millions of internal connections to improve accuracy. And thereafter, the testing and refinement take place, where engineer test the AI with new examples and refine it until it performs the reliability. And at last, there is deployment. The training AI is released to help users with real world tasks, continuing to learn from the interactions. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something that is very much important. What AI can do for you? What is the everyday applications? So you can know that in voice assistance, in email filtering, product recommendations, photo enhancement, everywhere you can use artificial intelligence. So the first is voice assistance. So as you know that Google Assistant, Siri and Alexa use AI to understand your voice commands and respond naturally. Whatever you want, you can say it to Google Assistant and it will learn by artificial intelligence. Thereafter, email filtering. AI automatically sorts spam from important messages and prioritizes what you need to see. Thereafter, product recommendation system is there. Shopping sites suggest item based on what you have viewed and what similar customers bought. Thereafter, photo enhancement. In these years, you will be seeing on social media that people are enhancing their photos. So that is AI use. AI automatically improves lighting and removes blur and even suggests creative edits to your picture. So this is something that we have to study in this video. Let's connect in next video.